Are you tired of subpar customer service training that fails to ignite your team's potential? It's time to redesign the processes and unleash your customer service superheroes. Get the ultimate customer service training solution at an unbeatable price. Click the link in the description to download our ready-to-use customer service training presentation and enjoy up to 15% off. Introducing our customer service training activities presentation deck to encourage disengaged employees and increase productivity. Step into your customer's shoes with the Herd Roleplay activity. Experience real-life scenarios, sharpen your communication skills, and master the art of problem solving. Discover the art of gracefully handling customer complaints. Understand how to be tactful even when some customers violate your terms of service. Learn to defuse tense situations, offer solutions with diplomacy, and turn disgruntled customers into loyal advocates. Let's proactively tackle customer service challenges with a complete discussion on strategies to prevent such irritants from arising in the first place. Explore valuable lessons learned from past experiences and equip your team with preventive measures to ensure smooth customer interactions. Ready to make your customer service training more engaging? SlideTeam's PowerPoint module on activities for customer service training is waiting for you. Click the link below to download and start engaging your team. Use this activity to gain insights into their perspective, challenges, and expectations by deploying this actionable slide. Tackle the impatient customer through role-playing. Hone your skills in handling time-sensitive situations, diffusing frustration, and delivering efficient solutions. Prepare for the ultimate test dealing with the angry customer. Sharpen your abilities to remain calm, empathize, and turn a negative encounter into a positive resolution. Stop wasting time on outdated training methods. Download our activities for customer service training presentation deck and empower your team to conquer any customer challenge. For more such business-related presentations and templates, visit www.slideteam.net today.